Hello, Planetfrog YouTube viewers. This is a little personal message to welcome you to the channel. I am the mystic Planetfrog, and on this channel I share everything that goes through my head, really. Music, but mostly at the moment, thoughts on philosophy, spirituality, artificial intelligence, those sorts of things. I mean, really, just things that don't quite fit on my main channel with my girlfriend Kelly on Divine Alchemy Healing. And so one of the reasons I'm doing this personal message to you today is just to encourage you to head over to Divine Alchemy Healing if the more spiritual, grounded matters, less artificial intelligence and technology related, appeal to you. Because I've got an interview coming up this week with a very interesting chap called Nick Salzman, who does do pendulum work, but in the second part of the interview, we really deep dive on things like giants, Nephilim, angels, the influences of dark and light, and some of the things that you may well find very interesting that's drawn you to the Planetfrog channel. We try to keep the two channels separate just because on Divine Alchemy Healing, we try to focus on the books that we've written, the pendulum books that we've written. Check them out at divinealchemyhealing.co.uk, and pendulum related things. A bit more grounded. But here on Planetfrog, you've tuned into the spacey side, the very mysterious side, and the side that's not afraid to get a bit wacky if need be. Mind you, it's lots of fun to be had on Divine Alchemy Healing as well, so head over there and check it out if that sounds like your thing. And thank you to the new subscribers and viewers. I hope you're enjoying the content, and appreciate all the comments. Big hello to Dom. Thank you for your company. And Radiant Mirror, there's a number of you. There's somebody else there as well. You know who you are. Thank you very much for commenting and enjoying and contributing to the discussions on Planetfrog. Look at this beautiful background. Absolutely gorgeous. So with that, I will stop rambling and wish you well on this beautiful morning. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. And thank you for existing. Bye-bye.